in here we can have just one input. This is one input, this is two input, but there is a time that you want just one input, there is a time that you want three input, but you can't have more than one output, you can't have more than one return. So there is a way to do that. I will show you, but not now, in future, of course. Let's have some example. You see, you can't here just printf result. You can't do that here. Let's clear this out. I wanna show a decimal value and we want to use it like this. We don't want to use this complication. So what we can do, if we write it like this, let's see, let's first create this out, and when we write it like this, look what happened. Segmentation fault. So we can't do it like this. So let's try to create a function to do this. Let's clear all of this for simplicity. Let's clear this as well, and this. We say result equal 2 plus 3. It is the same. Now we want to show result, not by this type. You can't do this. This won't work. Let's run it. You see, you can't do this, do it like this. So we wanna create our own printf, and let's go up here. Of course, for now you can write your function in here, in above main, but you can write it in here. I will show you how to do that so you can use it. But there is another way. You can create a library and put all your function in the library and include it. So this file, this main file, in above or below it, won't be a lot complicated. So, but for now we want to just have one function, so we write it here. So I want a function that it has one input and its input is int, and please show it to me. So we don't want our function to return anything, so we call void. We don't want anything to return, and I call it m printf. Let's use it like this. Printf decimal value and parentheses the value that we want to show, int like x, whatever you want, and this is it. This is a name that you can use your own, whatever name you want. But when you don't want anything in return, you call it void. When you want, if you don't want any input, so you can use void here. I will show you when you do that. So what we wanted this function to do, to print an integer value, but much simpler. So we do it like this: print f, like before, %d, and put x in it. That's it. This is the function that we want. So everywhere that you wanna show a decimal value, you use this function printf. We wanna show the result and semicolon. You see, that's it. Let's run it. It shows us the result.